food.
What's their name? Where are your teeth? Where's the teeth? You don't know?
I don't know.
The person must have gotten it. So, do you love what you like about Jamaica?
Jamaica is a beautiful island.
Yeah.
And I love the fish.
Yeah.
And the fruits and all of those.
Your favorite country, your culture, sorry? Dance. The dance and the food.
The dance and the food.
Also, yeah. What you love about Jamaica? The beach. Okay, where have you ever been? You ever been to Dungeon Fall?
Yeah.
You climb the rocks and stuff? Say I've climbed the rocks at Dungeon Fall.
Climbed the rocks at Dungeon Fall.
And the sea was very interested.
And the sea was very interesting.
Also.